Let me tell you all about how my life got twisted upside down by COVID and how I recovered. Let's go, Sundari. So the first day, I actually thought that I had my usual sinusitis that I get around March and April. My sinus felt really blocked and I just started taking steam, and what I usually do. Called my ENT, talked about it, and then I just felt so tired. I felt so tired throughout whatever I had the first day. Was the problem started when I started getting 100 fever, because that is something that does not happen in sinusitis. So just out of curiosity, I still started to take my homeopathic medication for my fever as well as my cough. Just to be on the safer side, we requested for a COVID test. I just ate a paracetamol like 2 hours ago and I feel kind of good. I also took a shower. My sister told me to mix honey and black pepper, and I'm licking it every 15 minutes. So that seems to be helping, because I can't do this thing without. Since we were waiting for the COVID test to happen, I still kept on measuring my oxygen, my body temperature, and kept on taking steam. The day that we got a COVID test done, they've also got it done, just to be sure. Dr. Pathlabs is like the slowest test ever. We got it done yesterday at 8 in the morning, and it's about 1? Yeah, it's about to be 1. And they said that not only are we not gonna get the report right now, we're gonna get it sham ko, which makes absolutely no sense. Little did I know that it's actually because I tested positive. Turns out if a report is positive, they have to do more tests on it just to be double sure or something like that, and that's the reason why my report was so delayed. And looking back at it, I sound so dumb. So finally at 4 p.m. they've sent me the report and it's positive. I'm in my room. I talked to the doctor and he said to make like a chart like this and write down my oxygen and body temperature. There's so many medicines. Look at it. Look at so many. So this is the food for my body, and this is the food for coronavirus. I woke up today, even at night time when I took the medicines the first time, the whole of my nasal cavity and everything was just completely open. It was so open that I felt like the air that was coming from the pankha was literally hitting my nasal cavity, so I had to take a lot of steam. Now it started to get back to me again. Like I've started to have a little bit of like the head pain, and my back has started to hurt a tiny bit. So I'm just gonna take some medicine and just go to sleep. Dave has been sleeping in the other room, so it's really boring. As the guidelines suggest, you have to measure your body temperature, your oxygen level, and take a lot of steam. And the second your oxygen level dips below 95, you have to sit in this Indian squat position. I did this a couple of times when our oxygen went to 93, and right after doing this, it just shot up. Oh my god, I just noticed this one strip is for it's for 2,560 rupees. Just this one. There's some crazy. Damn. Hey guys, I was sleeping. I'm minding my own business. I just got a call from the Delhi government that if I need help with COVID or something. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get deep tested too tomorrow again, because now he also has fever. So yeah, bye. Turns out Dave was positive the second time we tested him. He had really high fever, had all the symptoms of COVID. So today is day 6, I think, and I can't really smell everything. I can smell like strong smells. I can smell the toothpaste. I can taste it. But I feel like it's getting a little less than it was before. I haven't noticed this about my lamp, but look. Coronavirus! I'm more concerned about Dave right now. And yeah, I hope his fever stops. I officially cannot taste anything. I can only taste, I'm eating momos. I can only taste the sauce, which is just chili. Apart from that, I can't taste if it's salty. I can taste it's khata. Yeah, can't really taste anything. I've been getting COVID, but it's also my birthday. So you would think that this would be my worst birthday because I have COVID on my birthday, but I'm actually very happy because um, even if I did get COVID, I feel better. My husband also got it and he's starting to feel better. I'm happy that my parents don't have it, which was a big concern, and all the other people in my house are healthy and fine. So that's enough for me to be happy. I don't have to celebrate my birthday to be happy. And I anyways had no plans for my birthday. I didn't know what I was going to do. So you would think I would be depressed about this birthday, but I'm actually more happy because it kind of helps you prioritize things in life. And obviously family and their health is the most important. So I kind of feel happy. And I always like to spend time with Dave, so although he's not even in the same room as me, but he still feels better, so I feel good about that. Hey guys, so I feel a bit better today. I didn't have any fever, so I put my mask on, washed my hands, changed my clothes, and put a new bed sheet, got a new handkerchief, did a bit of pocha. I couldn't really do jharu, so I just did pocha, and I made something to eat for Deb. Now Deb has a lot of body pain, so I don't. That's why I'm doing the caretaking right now. So yeah, my hair was. I showed you guys how it was earlier. Deb was being funny. Yeah, I just put everything for a hot wash, antibacterial hot wash. Yeah, I still have a little bit of, like when I deep breathe I cough, but that's about it. I'm gonna be taking steam in the cutest steamer, so let go. Guys, it's been about 10 days since I had COVID. Can't really taste a lot. I can smell certain strong scents like garlic and all, but nothing else. So let's do it.
So I saw this on, I don't even know where I saw it. You just take oranges and you roast it. In the original video, they basically made a bharta out of the orange, and I didn't want to do that. So I just cut the orange in 4 pieces and I roasted as much as I could till it turned brown like this, and then you add some brown sugar to it and then you eat it. And this, I don't know how this works, but it worked a tiny bit on me.
That's like really sweet.
Yeah, I can smell it.
You can smell it now?
Yeah. But it's still faint. It's like the same thing that was there on the moon.
I can taste it. I can taste the apple juice. Hey guys, today is the 15th day, and I think I'm the one that has like the least, like the slowest recovery ever. I feel a little bit better. I didn't have fever. I feel a bit energetic, so I think I'm gonna make breakfast. Hey guys, So it's been a while since I last recorded a video. I've been at my parents' house for like 2 or 3 days now. My dad also got COVID. My mom also got COVID. She recovered. But for my dad, his like fever was not coming down. We have been going back and forth to try to get him admitted. And it's just not working out. So the only thing we're literally left with right now is to just wait, stay inside the house. And it's super stressful. I mean, I'm trying to be as strong as I can, but I seriously, it's just so, I don't even know how to explain it. I don't want to cry. Hey guys, it's been almost 23 days since I got sick. Settled. My dad, my DRYNESS are fine now. I came back to my house. I was at my parents' house. I was trying to take care of them. And before this, as you saw, I was sick my own self. So I'm looking like this, but I really want to start working already. The videos have been delayed. I just cleaned my whole room. We're doing that today. The weather is kind of nice. I feel a bit tired, but I'm very, very thankful that my dad and like everybody in my family is better now. Just really, really thankful that you guys could also share information that helped me, and I've shared that information with a lot of other people and it's helped them. And I'm just trying to now divert my brain as much as possible to my work, because I haven't worked in like 23 days, which is a really long time, and I really need to start now.
So people that have recovered from COVID are called COVID long haulers, and there are a lot of things that happen even after you recover. Personally, for me, I got dryness on my fingers, on my hands. Both Dave and I have started to get cracked heels, which is something that has never happened to me before. Since the dryness was also there on my scalp, literally the whole of my scalp would peel off in giant flakes, and it's not nice. Apart from this, I feel tired almost all the time. I don't have energy to do anything. I have to push myself, drink some coffee or do anything, but I am persistently, continuously tired. And that's just not the case with me. That's the same thing with Dave. That's the same thing with my mom and my dad and everybody else that I know that has COVID. And that is something that we have to deal with. The way I'm dealing with my recovery is try to think as positive as I can, watch a lot of kitten videos and watch a lot of beauty related videos, things that make me happy. And another thing that makes me happy is shetut. Shetut is called mulberry or sweet long fruits, and I've been having them since I was little, and it brings back just amazing, beautiful memories of my childhood, and that makes me happy as well. So I try to eat that. I try to think positive. I'm extremely thankful that I got better and my family got better, but I still try to pray for people that I do not know of, people that are suffering, and people that are still not recovering. If you're somebody that has lost a family member to COVID, or somebody that is dealing with COVID and are really stressed out, I just want you to know that I understand. And I understand the helplessness, because I've been in the same situation as you have. Know that we are all in this together. We have all felt helpless. We are all feeling helpless. There's nothing that we can actually do apart from social distancing, staying at home, staying safe, and making sure that we are not in this position again. That's it. Bye.